Are you struggling with Instagram's Add Note feature not showing in your posts? You're not alone. Sometimes, system glitches can cause this feature to disappear when creating posts or reels. First, check if your app version is up to date. Updating can solve many issues. If it's updated, try logging out and back in. This simple trick often resolves stubborn glitches. Clearing the app cache can help too. This can refresh your features and improve performance. Lastly, restart your device. Sometimes, a fresh start is all it takes to fix the issue. Once you've taken these steps, check if Add Note appears in your post options. Engage with your followers by using this feature effectively and create fun content. If issues persist, consider reinstalling the app or contacting support for help. Remember, staying updated is crucial for the best social media experience. With these tips, you're set to enhance your Instagram game beautifully. Now go ahead and share your creativity with the world. Thanks for watching.